Okay, y'all, I'm super excited. Okay, I have another kidpreneur workshop this today. Okay, so as you can see, I got my TikTok shirt on. Okay, I am also a brand ambassador, and I did a ambassador event for TikTok a couple of years ago, and so I still kept my shirt in great condition. So you know what this means, right? I am always looking forward to the youth to teach me a TikTok and not worry about if I can really do the moves or not. They have to teach me. I'm there to teach them entrepreneurship. They're there to help me bring out the kid in me. I mean, I feel like it's an even swap. Let's go check them out, y'all. Look, y'all, I got an assistant. It's the mini CEO. Okay, so we getting ready to go up in here, baby. If you've been following me for a while, you remember when Zahira, the Minnie Mouse, was a baby, and she started talking in the workshops, because I used to take her everywhere with me. And what happened was she started talking in the workshops, and people were they weren't even paying attention, weren't even learning nothing, so she had to stop going. So now I'm going to see if this big girl knows how to wait her turn, okay? When it's time to speak, y'all. I love my family. Teach people how to dance. Okay, a dance instructor. If you can do it, Cesaria, I want you to tell the audience who you are, what you love, and why they should support you. Out your flyers, right? About what it is you have going on. S-U-G.
You don't have to take the whole thing.
And this is you just saying, Miss Ivy, I promise that I'm going to be about my purpose this year, okay? I am going to make sure that I be intentional about identifying and strengthening my purpose, okay? You promise?
Yeah!
Okay, all right, let me get your signatures. Come on over here. Who's first? Who's going to write that down first?
On the count of three, we're going to say purpose, okay?
1, 2, 3.
So, I wanted you all to teach me a TikTok. See ya. Oh, you got this ball. You've been practicing this morning.
Left, right, in, up, pan, out. All right.
Position.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, y'all, so that was the Yoshi Kidz Academy workshop, kidpreneur workshop. Okay, it was super duper fun. They didn't necessarily teach me a TikTok, but I learned a little bit of their routine. They are going to present during their end of session, well, I guess you would call it end of semester showcase. Okay, so I'm going to be letting you all know when that is. And in this showcase, they perform, they show all of the different, you know, things that they learned during various workshops with other individuals and things of that nature. And so I'm just super excited to be a part of Yoshi Kidz Academy, y'all. And if you are interested in having your child join, then Yoshi is going to be doing a fall session. Okay, so stay connected for that.